Today I'm checking out this food vacuum sealer from DOMIVIO. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, of course you have some instructions and you have a packet of bags. I think it comes with 20 bags already. And then there's the vacuum sealer. Okay. Woo! Pretty simple. This came in at a great time because in my refrigerator, I have a box of bacon and I need to get this stuff frozen. That's what your bag looks like right there. And I'm going to just kind of start stuffing it with bacon. And bacon will fit in there perfectly. Look at that. There we go. All right, so that is the DOMIVIO vacuum sealer.